Hey, Matt Scratch here. I know some of you are going to be really upset with me for this, but I've had my close friend John, actually, who's appeared on the channel before. He's been bugging me for a few months to sell him the Beater Lincoln, and I finally gave in. I know I said previously I love this car, and I do love this car, but part of the reason why I'm willing to get rid of it is I also love that car. That's my 94 Lincoln Town car, and I've swapped in a 351 Windsor, and I'm about 85% done that swap. That car's not far from driving down the road. The rest of the car's all sorted, new exhaust system, custom mufflers. It's all the brakes have been done, new calipers, rotors, like you name it, I've done it to that car. So that car's in really nice shape. It has a really nice clean frame under it. The body's got a little rust, but not too much. I'm planning on taking care of that and giving it a paint job and all that stuff. And I've got a lot of cars. I've only got so much time and energy to go around. So it doesn't make that much sense to me to fix up that car and keep this car and keep fixing this car up and keep driving it and basically having two cars identical when I'm supposed to be collecting cars here and showing them on the channel and having different interesting cars. So it made more sense to me when I saw this deal on this 91 420 SEL to go chasing after that and part with this. So I had that deal done before I parted with this. So that's how it's working, guys. That Mercedes is the replacement for this town car. And you know, I will still always love this car and remember it fondly. It basically towed home all our projects, and it's never let me down once. It's been a truly amazing car, and I wish John all the luck in the world with it. It will be missed. But we're going to move on here with the Mercedes and bring you some new content and some new experiences for ourselves. So have no fear, this Lincoln's not going anywhere. That one's going to be getting some attention soon now that my 90 will be gone. And as well, I have the 1980 Lincoln Versailles is right about there inside that shop. It's been sitting in there safe and dry for over a year now. I haven't done anything with it, but I also haven't sold it and have no intentions to sell it. So that car will get my attention in time. I'm committed to both those Lincolns, and now we've got two Lincolns and two Benzes on the channel. There she goes, guys. The Beater Lincoln's gone. Sold her off.